The Filipino value, we are focusing on his Bayanihan spirit, a cultural trait rooted in unity, cooperation, and selfless help. Traditionally, Bayanihan is seen in communities coming together to assist someone in need or to accomplish shared tasks. But beyond these organized efforts, these values show up everyday acts, small moments where Filipinos offer help, support one another, and make sure no one faces challenges alone.
Here, a passerby assists an injured person crossing the street. This moment reflects Filipino compassion and the willingness to help anyone in need. Someone drops their money and it is quickly returned to them. These simple gestures highlights Filipino honesty and concern for others. In this scene, a stranger asks for directions and a Filipino patiently guides them. Small acts like this show our warmth and readiness to help. In this scene, students help clean their classroom. This shows the Filipino value of teamwork and caring for shared spaces, even in simple daily routines.
In celebrating the Bayanihan spirit, we are reminded that Filipino culture is built on compassion and collective strength. Whether through big efforts or small everyday gestures, our willingness to help one another keeps our community connected. By practicing Bayanihan, we continue a tradition that not only defines us as a Filipino but also inspires unity wherever you go.